Hey, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back. If you're passionate about growing your own fresh and crunchy cucumbers this season, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening content. Now, let's get started. Top 3 tips before you start growing amazing cucumbers in your garden. Tip number 1. Selecting the right cucumber variety. There are so many options out there, from slicing cucumbers to pickling varieties. Consider factors like your climate, available space, and personal preferences. Opt for a variety that suits your needs and environment to ensure a successful harvest. Tip number 2 is all about creating the perfect environment for your cucumbers. These plants thrive in full sunlight, so make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Additionally, cucumbers love consistent moisture. Water them regularly, keeping the soil consistently damp but not waterlogged. This will help prevent issues like bitter-tasting cucumbers and promote healthy growth. Now, on to tip number 3, trellising. Cucumbers are climbers, and providing them with vertical support not only saves space but also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. Use a sturdy trellis or cage to support the vines as they grow. This will also make harvesting a breeze and keep those cucumbers off the ground, ensuring they stay clean and healthy. And there you have it, 3 essential tips for growing delicious cucumbers. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! Write us in the comments down below your experiences, tips and tricks, and don't forget to like this video.